Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel today. In this video we have my son in here again, Alex. So we are going to cut his hair today and we are going to give him skin fades. Isn't it, Alex? What do you think? Are you excited about your next haircut again with daddy? Yes? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you will find this video helpful and useful to you. If you have any question, please comment on the below in the comment section. I will be more happy to answer your questions. And I will be more happy to help you guys. I am in here making my first guideline. Here I am using Wahal 100 series magic clipper and all the way lever open. And now it's all the way lever close. In here, number 1 all the way open. Number 1 close. And now in here, I'm using number 2 all the way open. And now it's all the way close. And number 1/2 in here, all the way lever close. Just trying to lose that heavy line in there. And you can play in here. You can play with the lever. There's some parts you can like play like halfway open or halfway close. You know, so you can work away with the lever in here the way you feeling comfortable. As you can see, more you blend in, the fade is starting coming up. And in here, 0.5 guard, and the lever is close. And in here, the lever is all the way close with no guards. And now in here, just playing with the detailers again, just a small lines, trying to lose the first guideline. Now we have it in here foil shaver. Just going to do a little bit on the bottom. This way the hair will look more crispy. After the foil shaver, just trying to lose that small, very small detail lines. Just doing like a little bit detailed work in here. And in here, after finishing with the clippers and all the guards, just a little bit more blended in with the pen and scissors. This way I always find, you know, more better fade. You don't have to do too much, just very little. And now we are going to do a little bit scissor cut on the top as well. As you can notice, there's not too much hair on the top because he gets haircut like nearly every 2 weeks. So I'm just going to take very little off the top. In here, just I'm working a little bit scissor work on the, because he's have a crown on the front, so I'm just trying to blend it in with the crown and trying to tie it up the fringe. And after all the haircuts, that's the result we get, guys. I hope you will like the video and hope you will find useful and helpful. And if you have any question, please comment on the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel as well, please.